Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Let's make nutritious food. Today we will prepare healthy overnight oats. Let us see the ingredients first. Almond milk, 1 cup of rolled oats, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. First of all, take a glass jar and add 1 cup of rolled oats in it. Add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Add almond milk. This is freshly made almond milk. It is made at home. Mix all the ingredients properly. You have to refrigerate it for 7 to 8 hours. Close the lid and refrigerate. Next day morning, open the lid. Add 2 tablespoons of roasted almonds. Add 2 tablespoons of roasted cashews. For sweetness, I am adding chopped dates here. You can add honey as well. It will give you a very good taste and sweetness. Mix all the ingredients properly. If you want, you can add extra milk here. Do add honey if you like it. I added dates, so I didn't add honey. Let us see the health benefits of this oats and nuts. Rich in fiber, they support your heart health, they give you energy, they improve blood sugar, they are rich in micronutrients. You can have them early in the morning as breakfast, or else you can prepare them in the morning and you can have oats in the evening as snacks. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe the video.